On Tuesday afternoon, GCOM's Region 4 returning officer, Clairmont Mingo, was detained for questioning by police officers and was taken to the Criminal Investigations Department at Evelary in Georgetown. Providing an update, Mr. Mingo's attorney, Darren Wade, revealed to Nightly News that he is still in custody and that he was able to speak with his client even though he had been prevented from doing so initially.
He's currently been held at the CID headquarters. I was able to speak to him today. Yesterday, I know Miss Sonia Parag, and I noticed Rhonda Lamb was there at CID headquarters. I don't know what they were doing there or whether or not it's in relation to the said matter. I would like to believe so. There's nothing significant I could say to you at this moment in relation to any developments and so forth.
The attorney verified that Mr. Mingo has not been charged, but rather is detained for questioning in relation to alleged fraud perpetrated at the March 2nd, 2020 general and regional elections. The attorney reminded what the laws of the land dictate with regard to detaining a person without reasonable cause.
The law says you should not keep someone in excess of 72 hours. But I don't believe that in 72 hours you could keep somebody for 72 hours without a proper cause.
Meanwhile, the Ghana Police Force in a statement said that police, in continuing their investigations of alleged fraud surrounding the March 2nd general and regional elections, arrested Clairmont Mingo and Michaela Duncan, who is the registration officer attached to the Better Hope GCOM office. The police revealed that both persons are still in custody assisting with investigations. Private criminal charges were brought against Mr. Mingo by attorney-at-law Anil Nandlal, who subsequently withdrew those charges, and then by Charles Ramson Jr., who is now the Minister of Culture, Youth and Sport. It is alleged that Mr. Mingo, in conspiring with others, sought to commit electoral fraud when he proclaimed false information for Region 4 results, thereby declaring the former APNU AFC government the winner of the 2020 elections. At a national recount exercise agreed to by then-President David Granger and leader of the opposition Bharat Jagdeo, it was revealed that the PPPC had amassed the most votes. However, the APNU AFC coalition had maintained its stance of fraud against the incumbent administration, as it said that statutory documents belonging to over 40 ballot boxes were missing and could not be accounted for, among a number of other anomalies. In one of the many court battles that followed the March 2nd elections, High Court Judge Roxanne George Wiltshire had stated that Mr. Mingo had not declared the results of his region according to the laws of Guyana. Wendell Badrie for the HGP Nightly News.